Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen ravioli with tomato sauce in the air fryer. So all we need is frozen ravioli, tomato sauce, and we also need a dish that fits inside the air fryer. So I'm going to put frozen ravioli in the dish. So no need to defrost. The air fryer will cook the ravioli straight from frozen. And then add tomato sauce. And toss the ravioli so it's coated with tomato sauce all over. And now let's put this dish in the air fryer basket. And let's put the basket inside the air fryer. And I'm going to put the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm just going to mix ravioli so it cooks evenly. And now let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at this ravioli. Look at that, it looks amazing. Ravioli with sauce made in the air fryer. Now let's take it out of the air fryer. I'll just move it to a plate. Perfect. So the ravioli is perfectly cooked. So let me just cut it to show you that it's cooked inside. See how soft is this ravioli? And the filling is perfectly cooked. It was so easy to cook it straight from frozen. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Amazing. This ravioli tastes so good, and it's so easy to cook it in the air fryer. No need to deal with boiling water. You're going to love cooking ravioli and tomato sauce in the air fryer. Just so easy and delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!